And so the parcel of my coffee machine had been delivered to my apartment, and so let's unbox it. We have three parcels. This one, I think it be the espresso, the coffee machine itself, and this might be the coffee, the capsule of the coffee. And this is like a container. And these are the coffee pot. It has so many options. Hey, let's go! Look at this beautiful layer. It tastes so good. This is I got from Starbucks, the matcha latte, so I wanna mix them together. It's kind of weird. I think I need some syrup, so not too bad. Hello guys, and today is Friday. I just went home and I feel so exhausted. I went to Trader Joe and did my weekly shopping, and let's see what I got from there. Here's the mushroom and truffle pizza. I think it's a new flavor. I don't know. I'm gonna try it. The sweet roll. Back. And the coconut almond creamer. I think I'm gonna use this to make my latte. And some snacks. And this one is the ricotta cheesecake. I've seen this on social media app and seen so many people buy it. And let's see if it was the hype. And the sparkling roti beverage.